Morning, everyone. This is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live. Whew, what's going on, guys? This is our morning update from Asia, and right now it's early morning in Bangkok time. And guys, it's a great day to be alive. What's going on with Doge? We're seeing that Doge has come down a little bit. It's come down almost 12-13% today from its all-time highs yesterday. So you guys panicked? Are you guys panicking? You guys wondering what's going on? You guys wondering what's happening? Guys, don't panic. We're going to talk to that. I'm going to tell you what's happening, what's going on, and where I see Dogecoin going in the next couple days, and where we're going to see Dogecoin at the end of the week, guys. I still believe that there's going to be a moonshot coming soon. I know it, you know it. So without further delay, let's get into the content. And before we do it, just as a friendly reminder, this is not financial advice. This is just the OG offering his opinion. This is for educational purposes only, so never take this content as financial advice in no way, no shape, or no form. Remember, it's your currency. Do your own risk management, guys. And it's a great day to be alive. I got sun, I got sea, I got wind, and I got lockdown. So I think we're getting close to like 38 days in lockdown now. So OG is getting a little bit stir crazy, but with that being said, let's jump into it. Watch out for Nasdaq scammers in the content. Don't forget, we're giving away one Ethereum at the end of the once we hit 50,000 subscribers, we're giving away one Ethereum. Right now we're at 48,700 subscribers, so help pump it up, guys. Help pump it up. And this weekend we're going to definitely have a Doge pump it up weekend, and we're giving away 1,000 Ethereum to one of our super members, guys. So we're gonna have a live stream, and we're gonna give that away online, guys. So woohoo, whoop-de-whoop-de-whoop. I love it, guys. You love it. So let's get it, guys. Let's get it right now. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin price right now. As you guys can see, Bitcoin right now is trading at 46,893, and that's just below my $47,000 support line. Well, it's resistance now. It was support. You know, let me just change that line. Let me just change the line. So I feel that, you know, we're going to actually be going up past that resistance level fairly soon, guys. And I think we'll be on our way up. I think this is just a little hiccup of a correction, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. And, you know, sometimes you guys just need to zoom me out, and you guys need to really take a look at the trend and exactly see where we are, because remember, the trend is your friend. So, you know, Bitcoin, it's you know, it went up here. It went up really. This was our big rise where we had this parabolic increase all the way up here, and after that we had this huge dump. This is what I call the China dump, right, guys? And then we kind of traded up and down. Then we had, you know, we had a W pattern form, and then we bounced off that, and now we're going parabolic, right, guys? So if you look at the overall trend right now for Bitcoin and you zoom out, you can see that the trend is looking very positive, hugely positive. A little bit of a correction today. That's not a big deal. You guys don't need to panic. You guys don't need to be wet in the bed blowing your load because you think that the sky is falling down. The sky is not falling down. This is just a very simple correction. This is nothing to worry about. And we're seeing that today Bitcoin hit a low of 45,984 and hit a high of 47,097. So we're just bumping up and down against this resistance level, and we're definitely going to be getting past this resistance level. This is a green dotted line right there, my green dotted line. So we're going to be going past that very soon, guys. And I think by lunchtime we'll be back over 47,000. So I wouldn't worry about it. And if we look at the fear and greed index right now, let me give this a huge refresh, and we're going to jump into the news. I'm so excited. So I know that some of you woke up and you probably saw the Doge price going, oh my God, everything's going down. The sky is falling. Everything is ending. The world's coming to an end. Stop wetting the bed. Stop being a weak Nancy. Remember, diamond hands, hodl, and dollar cost average in. You know, this might be a good opportunity to pick up some more Doge before you see 40 cents coming in this weekend, guys. So don't panic. So we look at fear and greed. We're still unchanged from yesterday. So this is pretty good. So this is, you know, a good time to still be buying dollar cost averaging in before we head up into extreme fear, extreme greed. So guys, do your own homework, do your own research. Remember, this is not financial advice, but you know, I would be dollar cost averaging in now. This is a good time to buy Bitcoin. It's still under 47,000. So you know, I'm going to be picking some Bitcoin up personally. I'm going to be picking up some more Doge today. And you know, the other thing is, if we look at the rainbow chart, it's still telling us to follow the rainbow chart. It will tell you exactly what to do. It'll tell you when to sell. It'll tell you when to buy. It'll tell you when to hold. You know, so you can see here. it just tells you what to do. So if you don't know anything, go check out the rainbow chart, and yeah, just do a search Bitcoin rainbow chart and it'll pop up. I'll put the link in the description, so you're gonna love it. And are we in altcoin season? No, but we're definitely in altcoin month, guys, and that's really bullish. We can see that we have these coins are outperforming 75% of the top coins are outperforming Bitcoin. So we're in altcoin season, and that means that the altcoins are absolutely going to take off, guys. So with that being said, let's take a look at the Wyckoff. Once again, we're following the Wyckoff pattern exactly. We can see $50,000 coming in for Bitcoin very shortly, guys. You know it, I know it. And if we look at Ethereum right now, as I said, the trend is your friend. And if you look where Ethereum has been going, it's been going very parabolic. And as I said yesterday, we're going to be range bound in this area here, and we're doing exactly that. We're just range bound in this area right now. Let me get rid of this mess so you can see it more clearly. And you can see right now, Ethereum right now is at 3,157. So we've had a bit of a drop yesterday. We had almost a 5% drop from yesterday, and right now we are just below our 3,175 resistance level. So we need to definitely get past that. I think we're going to do it. I think we're going to be, probably bumping around here, and then I think that Wednesday, then we'll have a breakout again back to upside, and then we should hit 3,400. I think that's coming this weekend, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. This is just a little bit of a consolidation, but you can see here we're making higher lows, which is really good. We're making higher lows here, so that's really good. I mean, things don't go up forever, guys. You know that, I know that. So if you just zoom out and you guys look at the trend, you can see that the trend for Ethereum has been really good. This is where we had our all-time highs, and we kind of zoomed up here, and we went down. This is this big, the China crash, and then we formed a W pattern, 2 double bottoms, and then from there we've been going almost parabolic, in terms of the upside. So I think where we're going to continue, definitely this trend is going to continue, guys. It's going to continue. I wouldn't worry about that too much. This is just a little bit of a consolidation. Now, some people are saying this is a bear trap. If they tell you it's a bear trap, they have no idea what they're talking about. They have no idea about TA. This is not a bear trap, guys. This is just a little bit of profit taking. This is a little bit of consolidation, and we're making higher lows, so I wouldn't worry about it. Remember, zoom out. The trend is your friend, guys. So definitely you're going to have to do that. That's really important. So if you look at the burn right now for Ethereum, the burn is still burning. We're burning, and we're at $54,606 on the burn. So let's take a look at ADA right now. ADA is doing exactly what I said. I drew this pattern yesterday. We're going to be bouncing in between this channel, and that's what we're going to do, and we're going to be doing that for a couple of days. ADA is not tanking. ADA is not crashing. ADA is not going down. It's just going to be range bound, and we should see ourselves breaking out by the weekend. Absolutely breaking out by the weekend. My price targets for the weekend, we should see ourselves back up to $2.20, $2.30. That should be my target for the weekend, so you guys can take that to the bank all day, all night. Woo! The crypto flare, the Ric Flair of crypto, coming to you live from Asia. Woo woo! So let's take a look at the Doge without further delay. You guys can see that right now from the top to where we are right now. Doge has come down about 9%. So you guys really need to zoom out once again. Just zoom me out. And you can see that, from the Doge perspective, we had this huge run up. We had this huge run up all the way up here. Then we went down. We formed a double bottom here, formed a double bottom here, and then we formed a higher low here. We're also now right here. We're also forming a higher low, and we're going to be definitely going to be breaking out very shortly, guys. And if you follow this trend, we should be going in this direction, and hopefully by October, November, we should be reaching our all-time high. So that's if you guys zoom out. So sometimes you just need to zoom me out, and that will give you more clarity on exactly what's going on. So this is worst case scenario. Worst case scenario for me, I'm looking at 10th of October to be approaching all-time highs again in October-ish. That might come sooner. What am I looking for in terms of this weekend? This weekend, I'm looking absolutely to see ourselves hitting 40 cents in the house. So if you believe we're going to hit 40 cents, smash the likey wikeys. But you guys don't need to worry. We're forming higher lows here. We've formed a higher low we formed a higher low here and here and here. So if you just look at the pattern, guys, you know, we have nothing to worry about. And 40 cents is definitely incoming. That puts us at 40 cents right here, and that puts us around about tenth of that, you know, puts us at 40 cents. Definitely, I think 40 cents is definitely coming this weekend. So worst case scenario, we could see 40 cents coming at the end of the month. That's worst case scenario, guys. So I wouldn't panic too much. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, you're going to see something pretty similar on the 4-hour chart. You can see that we've had in the last 24 hours a 9% drop down, but that doesn't really concern me too much. You guys just don't need to have diamond hands. Come on, my charting tool is not cooperating. You know, I gotta get that out of there. Come on. There we go. So you can see right now we've got this the purple trend line. So we have dropped below the purple trend line right here. You can see that, and so overall that's not looking good, but now we're trying to get back into our purple trend line. So I think that what we'll see today is we'll see a little bit of this, and then we'll attempt to break out and hit 40 cents very soon by, you know, August 21st. This weekend we're going to be at 40 cents if everything holds true. Now remember, this is a ascending triangle, and typically ascending triangles, as I called it yesterday, are bearish. This is not a bear trap, so that's why we bumped up against this resistance here. We hit it once, we hit it once, we hit it twice, and we got rejected. We got a huge rejection yesterday. That sent us all the way down, and now we are seeing ourselves bouncing off the support that's right here, and hopefully we should be able to move past it and go up on the weekend, as I said, and hit 40 cents. So if that sounds good to you, and it sounds good to me, smash the likes and support the channel with super chats in the streams, guys. Remember, the orphans are hungry. We're hungry. So if you look at some on-chain data, let me give this a quick refresh, guys. So if you look at the on-chain data, you're going to see right now that you know, there's still a lot of positiveness for where we are with the Dogecoin right now. So I wouldn't panic too much. It's all looking pretty good, pretty good. And you can see that you know, Dogecoin is at 32.4 right now. We're still up, guys, compared to the lows. So I wouldn't worry about it. And you're seeing that 78% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money right now. So that's really good news. That's really bullish news. Don't panic, keep panicking. So, and you can see that 48% of all the Dogecoin holders have been holding Doge for less than 1 year. So nothing to worry about, guys. It's all good. And this is just a little bit of a correction. We're only talking, you know, it's only about down 9% from its all-time highs of 35 cents. So I wouldn't worry too much, guys. Have diamond hands. Don't hodl. Don't wet the bed. Don't become a weak Nancy. So let's jump into the newsy news, and let's do it, guys. So some of the big news out there is when will Dogecoin moon, and on-chain data and trading volume suggested soon. So there's a lot of data to support the fact that, you know, Dogecoin fundamentals are looking pretty good, and Dogecoin has been one of the biggest success stories of the year. You guys know that. You know, people were saying it's a joke coin, but it's morphed into the darling of crypto sector. Interestingly, over the past month, the project has gained momentum again. You know, because when we were in May, we kind of had what I call the doldrums. Nothing was really happening, and several data points suggest that sentiment for Doge is becoming increasingly bullish. So, you know, and we can see that the data from CoinGraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows that since hitting a low of 15.9 on July 20th, you remember that, and everybody was panicking, and a lot of people were selling, you know, the weak Nancy's. So, you know, they blew their low to 15.9, and they blew it, and they sold and they wet the bed, and I'm sure that they are seriously regretting that right now, because if we look at the prices, we're well over 30 cents, exactly as the OG predicted, exactly as I predicted. We're well over 30 cents. So for all the haters that said the OG doesn't know what he's talking about, just look at the price. All right, guys. So, and then you know, Dogecoin has rallied 120% in the last 30 days, and that took us to a high of 35 cents just the other day. So that's really cool beans, guys. You should be excited about that. I'm really excited about that, and that's really good news, guys. And so you can see that the volume has, you know, jumped 63%, and hit 8.6 trillion, guys. So that's really bullish news. And there are three reasons. There are three reasons why I believe, and the analysts and traders believe, that Dogecoin is going to moon soon. And these three reasons are increasing in on-chain activity, rising trade volumes, and increasing in the attention from big influencers. And we can see that, you know, on-chain activity has been showing an increase. Dogecoin adoption is currently at its highest level since 2017. Since 2017, guys, bull market, and new users have held the token for less than 6 months, continue to be holding. So we're seeing that the number of new users are going up and up and up. And you can see the data here. So you can see that, you know, new users right here, this represents 25% of all the Dogecoin holdings. So this is really bullish news, that we're getting more and more people moving into the market who are new users who have been in Doge less than 6 months. So you can see that, you know, more people Doge is being adopted by new investors at a level not seen since 2017. So it's euphoric. It's just huge, guys. And you know, following a tweet from Gradwell provides deeper insight into the on-chain for Dogecoin, which has the average of 32,000 daily active users. So active users is very important, because as we get more and more active users, this drives the price up. It's supply and demand, guys, and this is really good news, guys. The other element is the second reason for increase is the attention from analysts towards Doge is rising trading volume. So we're seeing more and more volumes, and we're seeing that, you know, in the last 24 hours we saw Doge volumes approach 200 million per day over the prior week. So the volumes are increasing, and that's really good. The more volumes we have, the more that we're going to see prices going up. Then the final reason is that we're still seeing that the third reason for the bullish sentiment around Doge is that, you know, recent commentary from big name influencers like Elon Musk and Mark Cuban have also helped to catapult Doge. And also we're seeing that a lot of social sentiment on Twitter and this and that is really going uppity up, guys. So this is really good news. So, and some other news that's out there. U.S. government now offers informants crypto rewards in addition to bank wires. So you can see that the government is also getting more and more into crypto. Why? Because they're offering informant rewards in crypto instead of bank wires. So that's really good news. So hopefully that all that confiscated crypto, the government will be using it and putting it to good use. Some other news that's out there right now is Chain Analysis report 37 billion Dogecoins owned by only 31% of the investors. As you guys know, there's a huge degree of Dogecoin holders that control a large amount of supply. Is that something to worry about? No, I wouldn't worry about it, guys. There's still enough supply to go around, and also we're minting around about 5.2 billion coins per year, so there's enough to go around. We're not going to have a supply shock. And yeah, people can say, oh, it's centralized because of the because we have 31 investors holding a large chunk, but I wouldn't worry too much about that. A lot of people talk about that, but it's really a nothing burger, guys. And then one final piece of news right now is Bank of America sees a long road ahead for Coinbase to become Amazon of crypto. So, you know, Coin aims to become Amazon of crypto assets through our in-view coins model is still very in the early stage. So I think that Coinbase is still very in its early stages if it wants to become the Amazon of crypto. I mean, one of the biggest things that's holding Coinbase back right now is the fact that there's still a lot of restrictions, still a lot of KYC. I think they need to kind of even that up a little bit, and also some country-specific restrictions as well. So it's going to take a while before Amazon actually becomes before Coinbase becomes the Amazon of crypto. And with that being said, one final story. As you guys know, that crypto developer will lead decentralized social media initiative. So the new lead plans to be hiring from Blue Sky team and partnering closely with Twitter and other companies as part of its next step towards fulfilling the decentralized social media plan. So they want to take social media on the blockchain, so that way they can kind of control what's going on, and it'll be more decentralized rather than, because right now it's centralized, right? Look what happened to Donald Trump, right? They didn't like what he said, so they killed his account. So if he gets on the blockchain, it's going to be harder and harder to do that because it'll be decentralized. So I think that's overall good. Let's look into the market marks right now. We can see that the total market cap is around about 2 trillion. And if we look into the Bitcoin right now is trading at $46,278. That's down about 2.71%, guys. And Ethereum right now is at 3,173, and that's down 4%. And BNB is still up 1%, so that's surprisingly considering that the market cap has gone down, guys. And you can see that my Bitcoin dominance is coming down, so that's really good sign. It's a really good sign. ADA is at $2.10 right now, and my Doge is down 4.25%, and that's 32.5. So guys, I wouldn't panic too much. Everything's looking pretty hunky-dory. And guys, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Do it now. We've only got 1,625 followers, so do it now. Follow. Don't forget to smash the likes and subscribe. And guys, follow my linky links, support the channel, go to Patreon, buy the channel a coffee, go to Zen Music, check out the music over there. You know you want it. And one final thing, don't forget to check out my merch. We got tons of merch. We got lots of merch, guys. We got new products right now. We got hats, we've got t-shirts, we've got mugs. So go check out all my products. You're gonna love it. I love it. And get the hat and get the mug. All right, guys, I'll see you. God bless each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next one. Woo! This is the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto saying, I'll see you in the next one. I love you guys. Take care.